Hi everyone! One of the last things we need to do as we wrap up the semester is we need to do our presentations for our green technology project. So I gave you a lot of different options on what you can do as far as these projects go. So you could make a video, you could do a PowerPoint presentation with an audio overlay so I can hear you reading through your slides. You could write a paper. There were a whole lot of options that I gave you. So a couple of different things that you need to know as we're submitting this project. First thing you're going to do is once you have your project created, you're going to hit the project submission button. So this is getting me your project. So just like any other assignment, this will be individually graded by me. So if you created a video, you can just post the link to your video. If you wrote a paper or you have a PowerPoint presentation or something else that is a file, you can just go ahead and upload it here to our project submission page. The second thing you're going to do is you need to share your presentation with the class. So you're going to, on this link, Green Technology Presentation Share with Class, and it is going to open this Padlet. So if you've never used a Padlet is simply a really simple place to post information that can be seen by everyone who has a link to this particular site. So all you have to do in order to post here is you're just going to click anywhere on this green screen. You double click and a little box pops up. Now, it has my name already because I have an account with Padlet. You don't have to create an account with Padlet. If you don't have one, don't worry about it. When you click on the box though, it'll say that your posting is anonymous. Just make sure that in the title, you write your name for me, please. So, John Smith, and then the title of whatever your project happens to be. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put example presentation, and you can write something. So this would be, for example, if you wanted to put your name in the title and then the topic of your presentation right here, that would be great. What I'm going to write is just that this is a sample presentation from my Bio 103 class last summer. So my students in my Bio 103 class actually did this same project, and as part of that project they created videos is what I had them do. And then you'll notice there's a couple of different buttons here that you can use. So again, if you have an actual file, you're going to click on the upload button and you would upload your paper, your PowerPoint, whatever it happens to be. Or if you have a video that you created and you posted it on YouTube or whatever other platform that you might use to share a video, you would actually go ahead and click on this link instead. And so I'm going to go ahead and post the link of that video, and I'm going to hit save. And then you can see that this video kind of pops up here. If you click anywhere outside of the box, the presentation is complete. You also have the ability to edit your own posts. You can't edit anybody else's posts, but you can edit your own. So if you made a mistake or you want to change something, you're more than welcome to do that. And then when other students come to the Padlet, they'll be able to click on all of these individual presentations in order to complete your peer review. Okay, so for example, let's just click on that real quick. And this takes you to a video. This was one of my students from the summer. Her name is Morgan. And Morgan did a project about Adidas, actually, and some of the things that they're doing to make their company more sustainable. So you can watch Morgan's video if you want, just to kind of learn more about it if you're interested, or you want to see an idea of what a video could potentially look like. That's an option as well. So back to the assignment page, once you have submitted your project to me, once you have shared your project with the class, the next thing you need to do is you need to complete the self-evaluation and the peer evaluation. So the self-evaluation is pretty simple. Just answer a few questions for me. Okay. And then the peer evaluation, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go back to the Padlet and you'll need to find someone's presentation. Please don't use the sample presentation. Don't use Morgan's presentation. Okay, so this is just an example. Use one of the students in the class, so look at their presentation, and then you're just going to, again, answer a few very brief questions about it. So that then will complete all of the requirements for the Green Tech project. So you'll submit it to me, you'll share it with the class, you'll do both a self-evaluation and a peer evaluation. If you have any questions about the project whatsoever, please let me know.